It's all about the Fed and inflation this week. For a good look at the market action, we have Dan Deming at KKM Financial standing by. Dan, what can you tell us?
This week is the Fed meeting. Now, a month or so ago, everybody thought this meeting was going to be live as far as the potential for a cut. Now it appears that basically, even by the Fed chairman's own words, that it is not. And so the expectations are this week, Angie, that we're going to have some repositioning post-expiration, as well as get a clearer message from the Fed in the meeting later in the week.
Small caps can be a sign of what's to come in the stock market. The Russell 2000 pulled back last week. What does that mean?
Well, Angie, when you look at the various rotations in the market, and particularly the major indices, the Russell struggled last week, and primarily the biggest driver was the idea that rates are going to remain higher for longer. That is a direct impact on the small caps as they're more rate sensitive. So that's really, I think, the catalyst as to why we did see the selling pressure and the Russell last week relative to some of the other major indices, which the Russell just experienced more selling pressure. And now the market's kind of getting used to the idea that rates are going to be higher for longer. So we're seeing a little bit of equilibrium coming back. But certainly the initial idea of a shift in interest rate trajectories has a ripple effect in the equity markets. And we did see that impact various indices, last week.
Beyond the Fed meeting this week, what else are you watching, Dan?
Commodity pricing. We're seeing it pushing up to the highest level in several months, and copper now breaking out to nearly a one-year high. So there is a dynamic in the commodity space that also has to be added into the inflation front, as well as the Fed expectations moving forward.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thanks, Angie. Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.